Namaste, myself Dr. Seema Rawat. Welcome to our Terra MD Ayurveda Panchkarma Center. Today, once again, we bring you one more Ayurveda Panchkarma procedure which you can practice in your daily routine to live a healthy and disease-free life. There are 4 methods of applying oil on the scalp which is called Murdha in Ayurveda. These are Shiro Abhyang, Shiro Sek, Shiro Pichu and Shiro Basti. Shiro Abhyang or oil head massage has been already discussed in our previous video, and today we will discuss the detailed procedure of Shiro Pichu. Shiro Pichu is made up of two words, Shiro and Pichu. Shiro means head and Pichu means a cotton pad dipped in the oil. Shiro Pichu is a simple procedure of placing a cotton pad on the vertex or crown area of the head impregnated with medicated oil for a certain period. The ideal time for this Shiro Pichu procedure is early in the morning or at the time of sunrise after getting freshen up. This Shiro Pichu procedure is very much beneficial in dermatological conditions of the scalp and also in psychological disorders. In dermatological condition, it is better to perform this procedure after taking head bath or cleaning the lesion. And now, without any further delay, let's get started. Our patient is seated comfortably on a knee-high chair with arm resting on the armrest. A cloth is draped around the body below the neck. The patient is advised to shave the head or make it short as possible because the procedure done after the removal of hairs will yield better result. And now, before starting the treatment, let's chant the holy mantra to seek blessing from the Almighty. Om Shri Dhanvantare Namaha. So, in the first step of procedure, we will gently massage with this medicated oil for a short period of about 3 to 4 minutes. This is lukewarm oil heated indirectly in a water bath. As we have told you in our previous video that in a healthy person, a plain or medicated oil can be taken or it can be taken according to the prakriti of the person, but in any illness or the person suffering from any disease, we can take the processed oil processed with specific herbs. Here we are taking processed coconut oil for the massage. We will dip our fingers in the oil and then gently massage the head for a short period of time. The massage can be in simple manners. There is no need to follow any rule. In dermatological condition or having lesions on the scalp, this massage should be avoided and can directly go on the main Shiro Pichu procedure. Here we have prepared a cotton pad covered from the both sides with the gauze pieces. We will use this in our procedure as a pichu. Now we will take a bowl, put our oil into it, and then we will soak our cotton pad into the oil And now place this cotton pad on the vertex or crown area of the head. This cotton pad should be sufficient enough to cover the vertex of the head. This cotton pad should be completely immersed in the oil, so if required, we can also pour a little bit of oil on the cotton pad. As you can see, our cotton pad is fully immersed in the oil. And now we will take a cotton cloth to cover the complete head. Covering from the forehead tie a knot at the nape of the neck or the occipital region. The knot should be comfortable to the client or our patient. Covering the head like this will allow the cotton pad to get firmly in touch with the scalp. Let it remain undisturbed for about 30 to 60 minutes. Meanwhile, the patient can practice for the meditation. It will enhance the senses and brings a feeling of freshness. Shiro Pichu has very good results in hair fall, dandruff, premature graying of hair, tension and headache. It is also very beneficial in Vata related disorder to treat many diseases occurring due to damage to head and its component either from exterior or due to morbid doshas from within, such as stiffness of neck, facial paralysis, squint eyes, cramps, loss of consciousness, yawning and stammering of the speech and many more. This practice should be done in a closed ventilated room or in a normal room temperature. It should not be performed in an air conditioned environment or the room having direct contact with the speedy wind. Now it's time to remove the cloth and the cotton pad. If you are practicing this at the bedtime or suffering from any illness or having dermatological conditions like lesions on the scalp, then you can remain the cotton pad for the whole night and the whole day according to the Ayurveda expert advice. After the procedure, resting for about 10 to 15 minutes, you can go for the head bath. For getting the better result of applying the medicated oil on the scalp, do not wash your hairs with market shampoo and conditioner. Just simply rinse your hair with plain lukewarm water. That's all from today's Shiro Pichu procedure. I hope you have learned it very well and will surely include it in your daily practice. Thank you. Hari Om.